Welcome to GSM Favor YouTube channel.
This is my Redmi Note 9 model Android smartphone.
The phone turns off when I disconnect the charger.
This phone has turned off. Battery is empty even when the battery is fully charged. So today I will show you how to fix it. I connected a charger and turned it on. The phone has been successfully turned on. The phone can be used well while it is charged. I will unplug the charger again. The phone turned off again. I need to disassemble the phone to solve this problem. This problem is mainly caused by the battery. You can change the battery if you want, or you can fix it the way I show you. All the tabs on the battery should be carefully removed. This is the battery management circuit, BMS. The small component you see here is the CLK fuse. This problem occurs when this component is damaged. I need to make a change or short it with a soldering iron. I will short this fuse. Extra wires need to be cleaned. Now you need to assemble the battery very carefully. Now connect the battery to the phone and turn the phone back on. Which one do I turn on once the battery is installed? The phone is starting up, please wait a moment. Now I can see that the phone is running fine without the charger connected. I don't have to change the battery anymore, now I can use the phone nicely.
Stay tuned by subscribing to our GSM Favor YouTube channel for tutorial tips and tricks to unlock more new smartphones like this. Thanks for watching.
Please subscribe GSM Favor for more video.